Looking to save hours in the kitchen without changing the way you cook? These genius Amazon gadgets are designed to speed up prep, simplify cleanup, and take the hassle out of everyday cooking. Once you see what they can do, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. All the products are linked in the description below. Corn on the cob is delicious until you have to cut it. This little gadget strips a whole cob of kernels in under 10 seconds. No knife skills required. Just place it over the cob, press, and twist. Fresh kernels fall straight into the built-in bowl, so there's no mess, no flying pieces, no trips to the ER. It works on fresh, cooked, and dried corn, making it perfect for salads, chilies, tortillas, and casseroles. The blade is razor sharp but fully enclosed, so your fingers stay safe no matter how you grip it. Small enough to toss in a drawer and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Once you have this, canned corn is a thing of the past. Party's over when the drinks run out, but not with this on your counter. This frozen drink machine churns out 72 ounces of icy perfection in a single cycle, enough to keep a whole crowd happy. 3 24-ounce blending jars work together automatically, so you're not making one drink at a time like some kind of bartender intern. It handles 6 drink types: margaritas, daiquiris, coladas, mudslides, mojitos, and smoothies, all at the push of a button. The rotating ice chute isn't just functional, it's a full-on show. Built from bamboo wood, brushed aluminum, and polished stainless steel, it looks as good sitting on your counter as it performs. With 700 watts of blending and shaving power, this thing means serious business. Summer just got an upgrade. Some things in life shouldn't require a struggle. Opening wine is one of them. This electric corkscrew does the whole job hands-free. Place it on the bottle, and it automatically drives in, pulls the cork, and ejects it cleanly without you pressing a single button. No yanking, no wrestling, no broken corks floating in your Merlot. A built-in foil cutter is already part of the package, so you're not hunting for a separate tool before every pour. It's rechargeable and cordless, so it's ready whenever you are. The sleek silver finish looks sharp enough to leave on the table at a dinner party. Whether you're hosting a crowd or just unwinding after a long week, this turns every bottle into an effortless occasion. Shelling peanuts one by one is the kind of task that makes you question your life choices. This hand crank sheller powers through a pile of peanuts in a fraction of the time. No electricity, no batteries, just turn the handle and the shells come off cleanly and efficiently. A non-slip base keeps it locked in place while you crank, so the whole thing stays put instead of sliding across the table. It's compact and light enough to toss in a bag for picnics, camping, or backyard gatherings. Built from food-safe plastic and metal components, it's sturdy enough for regular use and easy to rinse clean after. Fresh peanuts, zero frustration. Snack time just got a whole lot more satisfying. Garlic is delicious. Garlic hands are not. This rolling garlic mincer keeps your fingers odor-free while doing all the chopping for you. Load a clove into the chamber, roll it across your cutting board, and out comes perfectly minced garlic in seconds. A few quick rolls gives you a coarse chop. Keep going for a finer mince. You're in control the whole time. The stainless steel blades are sharp, the build is solid, and the whole thing pops open and goes straight into the dishwasher when you're done. It's small enough to tuck in a drawer and quick enough to use every single night. For something that costs less than a dinner out, it earns its spot in the kitchen every time you cook. There's a cookie most people have never made at home, but absolutely should. Pizzelles are thin, crisp, beautifully patterned Italian wafers, and this electric press makes 2 perfect ones in minutes. Just pour in your batter, close the lid, and the even heating plates do the rest. An indicator light tells you exactly when they're ready. No guessing, no burnt edges. The non-stick surface means cookies release cleanly every time, and cleanup is a breeze. Fresh off the press, you can eat them as is, roll them into cannoli shells, or shape them into ice cream cones. A recipe guide comes included so you can start baking on day 1. Compact enough to store easily, impressive enough to become a new family tradition. Chopping by hand is fine until you're staring down a mountain of onions at 6 p.m. on a Tuesday. This compact food chopper fits right on your counter and handles everything from chunky salsa to silky hummus in seconds. 2 speeds plus a pulse give you complete control over texture, whether you want a rough chop or a smooth puree. The 3.5 cup bowl is the perfect size for everyday prep. Not too big, not too small. A built-in drizzle basin lets you add oil or liquid while it's running, so sauces and dressings come together effortlessly. The blade locks in place for safe, mess-free pouring straight from the bowl. Everything except the motor detaches and goes in the dishwasher. Summer called. It wants you to stop buying overpriced snow cones. This electric shaved ice machine brings the whole experience home in seconds. Feed it cube ice, bagged ice, or blocks made with the included molds, and it shaves everything down to a fluffy, snow-like texture you won't believe came out of your kitchen. An adjustable stainless steel blade lets you dial in exactly how fine or coarse you want it. Beyond classic snow cones, you can use it for slushies, granitas, frozen cocktails, and iced coffee. Basically anything that's better cold. The whole machine assembles in 3 pieces, sits on a non-slip mat, and tucks away easily when the party's over. 2 reusable ice mold cups are included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Store-bought snacks are full of preservatives, overpriced, and honestly, you can do better. This food dehydrator lets you make your own jerky, fruit chips, veggie crisps, herb blends, and even dog treats right at home. 5 large 11.4-inch trays stack up to handle big batches, and the clear design lets you check progress without lifting the lid and losing heat. Adjustable temperature from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit means delicate herbs and thick-cut beef jerky each get exactly the heat they need. A base-mounted fan circulates warm air evenly across every tray, so nothing comes out soggy on one side and overdone on the other. The trays are dishwasher safe, and the whole unit has a compact footprint that won't take over your counter. Homemade fries are always better. The problem is cutting them. This electric fry cutter solves that completely. Just plug it in, press the button, and it slices a whole potato into perfect, uniform fries in seconds. No forcing, no uneven cuts, no sore wrists. 2 swappable blade sizes give you thick-cut steak fries or classic thin fries depending on your mood. It handles more than just potatoes too. Cucumbers, carrots, onions, apples, and more all slice just as cleanly. The stainless steel blades stay sharp, and the 4 non-slip feet keep everything locked in place while it runs. At just 15 inches tall, it stores upright in a cabinet without taking up much space. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.